Sir, how do we know if a business is strong or weak?
Excellent question. Today I'll show you a powerful financial snapshot called the balance sheet. If you understand this, you understand business strength.
A balance sheet is a financial statement that shows the financial position of a business at a specific point in time. Think of it like a photograph of a company's finances on one particular day. It shows what the business owns.
What it owns?
Yes, and what the business owes, and what belongs to the owners.
Oh, I get it.
Exactly. Boys, remember this powerful equation. Assets equal to liabilities plus equity. Everything must balance. That's why it's called a balance sheet.
Sir, what are assets?
Assets are everything the business owns that has value. There are two types: non-current assets. These are long-term assets used for many years. Examples: buildings, machinery, equipment. They help the business operate. The second one is current assets. These are short-term assets that can be converted into cash within 1 year.
Like cash and stock?
Exactly. Cash and stock are perfect examples.
I understood. Sir, what about liabilities?
Liabilities are what the business owes to others. There are two types: non-current and current liabilities. Non-current liabilities are long-term debts.
Like what?
Examples include bank loans and long-term borrowings. They are usually payable after more than 1 year.
Oh, I get it.
Exactly! The second one is current liabilities. These must be paid within 1 year. Examples: overdrafts. These are urgent financial obligations.
So we have to pay them back fast?
Exactly.
And equity?
Equity is the owner's claim in the business. It includes owner's capital, retained earnings.
Oh, I get it now.
Exactly. Great question.
Sir, why is the balance sheet important?
It shows financial strength. It helps investors decide whether to invest.
Any other benefits?
Banks use it before giving loans. It helps compare business performance over time. It shows liquidity and solvency.
Oh, I see.
Remember, students, profit shows performance, but the balance sheet shows stability.
Oh, I see.
Exactly. Let's draw it out.
Wow, sir. Now I can read a company's financial health.
Great. Follow us for more insightful lessons. Check the description below for worksheets and case studies.
Okay, teacher.
These case studies will help you understand the lesson. Yay!
Yes!
Great! Let's begin.